extend a hearty welcome to Sri Delhi P. Sundarraj. As a violinist, he is very much conversant to the musical circles in Kerala. I have also listened to his violin accompanying great masters, but the violinist turned vocalist is a different phenomenon altogether. Because when a violinist becomes a vocalist, that means the whole nuances the violinists carry in their fingering, that can also come through the vocal cords. And this has happened in the case of the best example I have in mind is Ranjani Gayatri. I've told them also. They were violinists initially, then they became vocalists. So when they became vocalists, there is a magical transformation. As they play the violin and as they sing, these are two different genres altogether. So that magical experience, I'm sure we can experience when Sundarraj sings for us today. And I have heard him singing, and this part is absolutely unfamiliar to me. It's going to be a novel experience. And I hope you will all enjoy this. And on the accompaniment, we have the famous Edapalli Ajith, who is one of the best-known violinists in Kerala. We have half a dozen great violinists here, and Ajith, of course, is one of the top-ranking ones. And Balashna Kamath, who is also a familiar face, has accompanied many vocalists over the years, and he's also one of the gifted mridangam players, which Kerala can feel proud of. So we are having a great combination today, and we are extremely thankful to you for coming over from Delhi and giving this concert, this chamber music concert, which is confined to only those people who are really interested in music. It's not meant as a general audience program. So thank you once again, and we extend a warm welcome to you once again. Thank you.
Good morning, namaskarams to everyone. Thank you very much for that wonderful introduction, sir. As he was saying, he was talking about the chamber atmosphere. I personally have a feeling that the chamber kind of atmosphere is the most ideal one for listening to concerts. And you're all such wonderful rasikas, and it gives us the greatest feeling to be here, to be able to perform for you in this wonderful setting. Feel really happy, and I would like to really thank Sri Unni ji and Sri Krishna Kumar ji for making this happen, and we really feel wonderful. So, for this concert of the most esteemed rasikas that you are, I have chosen certain compositions of our great composers, and also many composers together, the Trinity and many other composers. While coming today in the car from Tripunithura, we are talking about so many compositions, and there are so many requests. So I will try to accommodate as many of those requests as possible, pertaining to how it allows me to allocate the ragas in that particular order, whatever comes. Because as you know, we have not decided anything prior to coming here. That is the case with any concert of Carnatic music. We don't really plan as to what we are going to sing. So just plan as it goes. So thank you very much. We will start this concert with one of the greatest of composers ever, as you all know, one of the Trinity, Saint Tyagaraja. His composition in the ragam Maya Malava Gaula, Meru Samana, where he talks about the greatness of the Lord, Rama, how he is a dhira, someone who is comparable to the greatest of mountains. His valor is so great. And then he talks about other things, how he describes his beauty. There's a wonderful composition in the Ragam Mayamala Gola. We'll be starting with that. Namaskar. gari sani re o samma pa da pa da pa mani da pa da ma pa da pa ma da pa ma ga ma pa da ga ma da pa ga ma pa da ni sa ni ga ma ga ni sa ni da pa ma ga ma ga ni sa ni re o samma
Ga ma ga ma ba da ba ma ba ba da